Hello friends, today I am going to prepare whole wheat jaggery cake. I have taken 4 eggs. Now I will add 2 cups of wheat flour to the eggs. Now to this I am adding 2 cups of jaggery powder. Now mix it properly. To this I am adding 2/3 cup of oil or melted butter also you can add. Now I am going to add 1 cup of milk. I have taken hot milk actually, so that the jaggery will mix properly. Now mix all the ingredients. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To this I am adding vanilla essence. Now mix all the ingredients properly. I have added few dry fruits. Grease your cake tin and transfer all the mixture into this. Preheat your oven and bake it for 35 minutes. Now this is ready to bake. Now our cake is ready.